to you from my porch, which I've never actually filmed out here before, so this will be fun. There might be some outdoor noises, so just a little precaution, but it's such a nice day out. I wanted to do it out here, and also this is about to get messy because we are going to be doing some tie-dyeing and bleaching of my clothes. So I asked you guys on my closet clean out if you wanted to see me tie-dyeing my thrifted clothes, and so many of you guys said you wanted to see it, and I'm glad because I have quite a stack over here. Let me show you. This is everything that I want to tie-dye in today's video. So I have my work cut out for me, and I haven't actually tie-dyed anything since I was a child. I think when I was in summer camp, we would tie-dye our shirts, and I think that's the last time I have done that. So I did some research and I figured out different ways on how to tie-dye, so I will be implementing those in today's video. I'm just gonna do like pretty basic tie-dyeing. So if you guys want to do this while you guys are stuck in quarantine, because I know we all are looking for things to do, I would definitely suggest you guys going into your closet, finding some white pieces, and just, you know, redoing it. So the tools that you will need for this DIY is obviously some tie-dye. I got this kit from Hobby Lobby, but I will try to find a similar item on Amazon so you guys can hopefully get it. So this kit also came with rubber bands, and it also came with this tarp so that you don't get anything messy. So I didn't have any bleach, and I checked the nearest Targets, and everybody is sold out because of the pandemic that is happening.
Okay, so I thought I had the right kind of toilet bowl cleaner, but apparently I didn't have one with all bleach in it. I don't really understand. I tried it out and it did not work at all. But when I find bleach, I will definitely be doing a part 2 to this video, so definitely be on the lookout for that.
So I'm gonna fill up all of these little things with water, and then we will get started. Okay, so I have all of my dye ready to go, and I actually have 13 different colors. I thought they were all like duplicates, but they are a little bit different, so this will be so fun. My hands are already dyed and I haven't even started this process, so going good already. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first shirt that we're gonna start with is this Harley-Davidson shirt, and this one has so many stains on it, so this is a good way to, you know, revive a shirt that has some stains. And I also read that you can either dampen this or just leave it on its own, so I'm just not going to dampen it. I might do it for a few different items, but for this one, I think we're just gonna do it while it's dry. Okay, so for this one, I'm just gonna do like the classic spiral tie-dye. So you wanna kind of scrunch it, and then you want to twist. And then I'm just gonna put some more rubber bands on either side like that. Okay, so for this one, I think I want to do mostly orange because it already had like some orange detailing on the print. Oh, wait, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna do yellow, neon green, and orange. Flip it over and do the same thing. So now I'm gonna put this in a plastic bag and let it sit overnight, and I will see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, so for this one, I think I'm just gonna do one color, and I'm gonna do the Crinkle Effect. So what you do for this one is you just literally crinkle it like this. You don't actually even need any rubber bands, you just crinkle it like this. I think I'm also gonna do a mixture of this blue as well. Now we're gonna try to flip this over. I think I will wear gloves for this part. So for this one, I did go ahead and wet it. So I don't know if that was the move or not. So we're gonna do the Crinkle Effect and use pink because if you guys can see right here, it's already been stained pink. So I think it'll blend in nicely when we do that. Oh no, I got some blue on it. No! Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Now I'm debating doing this blue, but I really don't want it blue. So I'm just gonna do the crunching effect. to this. Okay, I'm gonna use this light pink color. Okay, so for this one, I'm thinking I want to do a neon green just to kind of combat the whole neon orange going on. There are little details of neon green in this, so I think that will look really cool. So this one, I'm gonna also do the crinkle effect. Oh, maybe I'll do it like that. Finding a new technique here. And then I'm just gonna secure it with some rubber bands. I ran out of plastic bags, so I'm just using this Ziploc bag. This looks a lot darker than I was expecting it to look. It's supposed to look, okay. The top looks like this, and this is what the color is looking like. So I'm hoping that once I rinse this off, it will fade to like a nice peach color, because right now it's like bright red. So hopefully that changes. So I'm gonna do like the swirl right here, and then the rest of it I'm going to crinkle. Okay, so for this one, I think I want to do a bunch of different random colors just because it is like patriotic. I want to like step away from that and do something crazy. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is tie-dye my socks. They're already washed and I just wet them. Also, please ignore the stains. I know it's like disgusting, but they are clean, I will say. Okay, so it's about midnight and I was about to go to bed, but then I just was thinking about my tie-dye, and then I got kind of nervous that everything was gonna like bleed into each other. So then I quickly ran outside, grabbed everything, and we're gonna just go ahead and open these up. Okay, so this is the one that I was most nervous about, so I'm really hoping that it looks okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, this is really cool. That is so cool. I'm obsessed. That's so awesome. This is the other one that I was a little bit nervous about because it had the most colors in it. So let's open this guy up. Whoa. It's definitely not bad. It might be kind of bad. Okay, so I'm gonna wait to open the rest of them tomorrow because they look just fine and I want the other ones to sit for longer. So what I'm gonna do is one by one rinse off these with cold water in here, and then I'm gonna hang them up to dry. So tomorrow I will reveal the other ones. So it's the next morning and I just woke up and I was so excited to open up the rest of my little tie-dye bags, and I have my other ones just hanging up here to dry. I think that's pretty cool actually. This is the one where we did like the twist in the middle and then we did like the crunching effect on the other half. This is the one where it was dried to begin with. So I'm curious to see how this one stuck. Ooh, that's kind of fun. So basically if you wet it before, it will like bleed a little bit, which is kind of a look. So if you don't want it to bleed, then use a dry shirt. So this is the long sleeve one where I use blue and purple. I'm into this one. I like this one a lot. I'm surprised that this one didn't bleed more because this one is pretty wet. I don't know. It's weird to see like which colors will bleed more. Okay. Ooh. I like the back better than the front. The front got really bled onto. It's not bad though. I'm just wondering if I shouldn't have put the dye on the actual logo. So that's interesting. Let's see what these look like. Ooh, these are fun. Look how fun those are. I love these. These are awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to one by one wash these with cold water like I did last night. It does take quite a while, but you do want to make sure that all of the dye is fully out. So you want to make sure that the water runs clear, because if it doesn't run clear, then it might bleed even more. So just make sure it's all washed out. So that's it for this thrift flip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which tie-dye outfit was your favorite. So I hope you guys found some inspiration from this video, and if you guys end up trying out some DIY tie-dyeing as well, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your guys' recreations. And also let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 whenever I find bleach in this town. I will be doing a part 2, so let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.